everybody. I want to kind of go over the week 12 assignments because you get into this Kodu Game Lab, and some of you might freak out. So if I go to week 12, there's the regular assignment, and then there's the Kodu game activity. Now when you click on this, then you'll click here for the instructions. You're going to see a 19-page PDF. And as soon as you start reading that Kodu is a visual programming tool, some of you are going to freak out. Oh, I don't know programming. Ah, what do I do? Ah! And you're going to run for the hills and call your mom and do all kinds of weird stuff. Settle down. It's not that bad. Kodu is just it's like a visual tool. You just grab things and kind of put them on the screen, just actually like a little kid's game. So if I give you some screenshots of this real quick, hold on. So it just looks like this. So you pick your ground, and then you use the hand tool, and then you grab something else, and you pick. And when you click on these different things, you'll get like a rotation of different things that you can use. Let me give an example of that. Yeah. And then, oh, hey, I need to move a tree over there, or I need to put an apple on that tree, or I want to move Rover on that tree. So it's pretty simple to use. Now, this tool is available online if you just type in Kodu Game Lab. You'll see the Kodu Home, bloop, and you can download it here. It's also on the Xbox 360 in the game store. You can download it there. It's a free app. And if you go to YouTube and type in Kodu Game Lab tutorial, you'll see a whole bunch of different tutorials. So if you're having any issues, and they're not very long, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, again, it's a very simple program. So after you go through the PDF and you've kind of, you've read this and you've added the rover and you've colored the rover, you can see it's not very hard. I just drag the rover on the screen, and then I pick color, and then I click on one of these dots, and then he changes color. Hooray! So after you get all done with that, and again, there's not a whole lot you can see. At this point, we've added a rover and a thing on and an enemy on the screen, and we're on page 10. When you finally get done, it doesn't really show you what. Yeah, so you're still kind of like that. But at the very end, then there's a couple things that they want you to add. Put a new object, whatever you want on the screen. Experiment with the when and do boxes. And then you can either, if you've made a file, you can zip up that file and then drop the file in, or if you load it onto their game site or whatever, you can actually just give me the URL and put that in the Dropbox. So let's say I go and I create the game, and it's on their website. So just go up here to the address bar and right click and then copy that URL, the URL, and drop that in there. Now you will need to spend some time with this, because if you go into week 13, you're going to see 3 assignments that have to do with Kodu. So make sure in week 12 that you spend a little bit of time with this activity and you get kind of used to it, because again, you're going to do some more stuff in week 13. Alright, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Remember folks, this is an entry-level class. No need to stress out about anything. If you have any questions or any concerns, just drop me an email. Other than that, have a great week.